Hello, my beautiful YouTube family. Y'all, your girls and Macy's box has finally arrived. Wonder what we got in it. Am I going to keep it? This was supposed to be the box that was supposed to make my final decision on whether I actually kept my Macy's Beauty Box subscription. I don't know. Let's get into her. Y'all, Macy's Beauty Box, I waited for over a year on their wait list to get this box. And I think this is my 5th or 6th box with them. And I think I've actually had like 2 boxes that I actually enjoyed. So this month's theme is girl power. Macy's is only $15 a month. There is no specific variety that you will actually get. They used to send out a perfume sample in every box for a male and for a female. They no longer do that. So it's been a lot of random stuff that you get, but I have only enjoyed a couple boxes, and this was supposed to be my final decision on whether I kept the subscription and moved on or moved on. And I don't know, you guys. I'm looking at our previews here. They always send the pamphlet, and the prices that are in here are for the actual full-size items. Now, you are supposed to get, yeah, that's right, 5 items, up to 7 sometimes. You do receive deluxe samples. You do receive some full-size items. I mean, it varies quite a bit. So, we're just going to get into this month's box and see what we got. First thing I have here is Natasha Moore Warrior. This is a makeup remover. And you guys, I don't see it on my description anywhere. This box feels like it's empty, actually. No, it's not. It's a makeup sponge. Why did I say makeup remover? It's a makeup sponge, you guys. So it has, without opening it up, you guys, because I've already got 2 full-size sponges and a baby sponge already out. It does have your flat cornered edges to get in there and up underneath your eyes, and then the pointy edge on the very end. And this is valued at what? It says, an artist is nothing without the right tools, so get equipped with a microfiber makeup sponge, microfiber, most of them are, that truly understands the assignment. The larger surface buffs and blends foundation to perfection, while dedicated to angles and in precision with smaller under eye areas. This is $16, you guys. Same thing, dampen the sponge. It expands. Normal application. $16 sponge. This again is the Natasha Moore Warrior. I'm just going to pull this out because I've got it front and center. I think this is just a little notebook in here. There is no value on this. Isn't that super cute, though? I think it's a book. Let's open it up and see. Yeah, it's just a cute little notebook to keep notes in. Which your girl has a lot of notebooks around because her memory, we actually call it CRS, can't remember shit. So, I do have a lot of notebooks going around, so I actually do appreciate that very much. Next thing I'm pulling out here, this is from Galactic. Rose Oil Petal Gloss. That's the uni carton. Says, hear us out. A hydrating gloss that isn't sticky. Argan oil, raspberry seed oil, vitamin E, and jojoba oil come together in a high shine blend that boosts, moisturizes, and creates a glossy finish. And this is worth $20. Oh, look, it actually has the rose petals in there. Huh. Well, when you don't know, you try. So let's get this gloss off that I have on. And we're going to try this $20 gloss from Galactic. I don't think I've ever tried any Galactic glosses. I'm really curious to see if it has like this floral. It does. It has a little florally scent. Now, none of the particles from the flowers in there got on the dofa whatsoever. Claims it's not sticky. Not sticky. I just can't hardly get anything on the dofa. There we go. Now that little florally scent that you smell to begin with, it does dissipate. It goes away. It's not sticky. $20 gloss from Galactic with little flower petals in it. All right. So far, we're not mad at this box, you guys. What is this? Sea Salt Surf. Huh. Broken Top Candle Company Sea Salt Surf Edit Perfume Roll-On. Soft, calming, and made for every day, this coastal scent is a necessity for your morning routine. MCT oil, organic jojoba oil, and essential oils create a dynamic fragrance with notes of sea salt, jasmine, and wood. $26. Oh, you guys. This is when we need smell-o-vision. That smells fantastic. Oh, wow. That really does smell fantastic, you guys. I don't smell any salt. Oh, it smells amazing, actually. I smell the jasmine and I smell the wood. I don't know what other essential oils they have in this, but it smells fantastic. Now, for this little jar here, it is $26, you guys. God, oh, that smells, oh, I love it. What is this? Nude Sticks Nudies. It says it's a bronzer. Okay, contour. We see you. Go for subtle or full-on sculpted with a bronzing balm that's rich in pigment but glides on skin like a sun-kissed dream. Long wear formula keeps your skin flawless without the flakiness, so don't be shy. Snatch those cheekbones. $34 for the full size. I'm going to say this is not full size. I'm going to say this is deluxe, but heck if I know. I mean, it does go up, but that's all you got right there. So I'm going to say this is deluxe. And you know what? I bet my sponge is still wet. Yes, it is. Those that don't know, try. So we're just going to add a little bit because I don't like the sculpted cheeky cheeks. It just looks weird on me. So it's on. Pop the lid on for your girl ends up dropping it because, you know, we drop everything. And let's just blend, blend, blend. Now, you guys seen how little I put on there. And just blend it up. Don't blend down, blend up. It keeps your sculpted going up. Gives you that lift. I did use very little, you guys. All right. I like this. Well, you guys, so far Macy's hitting it out of the park this month. That's not normal with me. Again, that was the Nudix and Nudies at Bronze. $34 for the full size. This is not full size, you guys. Last thing we have here. Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. You guys, I just freaking bought one. Here's mine. In taupe. Okay, this one is medium brown, so it will be too dark for me. So it is going to go in a giveaway box for you guys, and I'm not going to swatch it. So I will just go ahead and show you what it looks like out of the box. This is the deluxe size one. This is deluxe. This is full size. This is valued at $23. Yes, the one and only Brow Wiz. came to a beauty box near you. This cult classic lets you detail and define your brows to your heart desires with a pigmented, long-lasting formula that mimics hair for a natural and polished makeup look. $23. Now, I love mine, you guys. And on mine, one end has a spoolie, and then the other end is the actual brow wiz itself. And it is a very skinny stick. I mean, look how tiny that is. You can hardly see it. I love mine. I truly do. It's very long wearing. Lasts a long time. So let's see if this does, because this one doesn't. Okay, there's your little spoolie. And then you pop this in. Yep, and there's your skinny little stick. All right, let's go ahead and get this packed back up. Because like I said, this one's too dark for me, so it'll end up in a giveaway box for y'all. Again, you guys, the full-size one that I showed you is worth $23. Y'all, that's the end of my Macy's beauty box. We got an eyebrow stick from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which I absolutely love, the Brow Wiz. We got from Nudix a Nudes contour stick, and you've seen just how little that took. The full size is $34 on it. This lip gloss with little petals in it, I was afraid was going to get off on the dofa, and it did not. And it's not sticky. Not sticky at all. And its value was $20 from Galactic. It's amazing smelling perfume. Sea Salt Surf. Love this. $26. It's from Broken Top Candle Company. And it's just called Sea Salt Surf. I absolutely love how that smells. And then we also got our sponge from Natasha Moore. And it's called A Warrior. And its value is what? $16. So our total value, don't forget our little notebook. Our total value for the Macy's March box, you guys, $51, you guys. $15 a month. This was going to be my actual decision-making box on whether I kept it or not. I wonder if Macy's know that. Because I'm keeping the box, you guys. We'll see what April's all about. All right. Good job, Macy's. All right, you guys, that is all. Macy's is $15 a month. They usually do have a wait list. Like I said, it took me over a year to get off the wait list for it. So if you want to sign up for this, you better get signed up and be ready to wait, you guys. Good box this month, Macy's. Good job. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.